You might think from the looks of it that it looks like I'm cooking, but I'm not. I'm making a centerpiece. I have artichokes, Brussels sprouts, eggplants, red leaf lettuce, a purple cabbage, purple cauliflower, artichokes. Did I say artichokes? Well, I have lots of artichokes. Okay, I have decided that this is the piece that I am going to make my centerpiece in. And although the vegetables don't really need water for this, I put some floral foam in here that's heavy to hold, because I'm going to put the vegetables on skewers, and I need it to hold. So I'm going to go ahead and tape this down with waterproof anchor tape so that it stays as I add. These are heavy things. These are a lot heavier than flowers. And I've got some pretty heavy-duty skewers that I'm going to use. I don't really know what direction I'm going with this, but let's think about it. I think I want to break this cauliflower apart so I have some to add in different places. Yes, that's definitely the way I want to go with that. The eggplants are not going to be coming apart. I'm not going to cut those open. But I may just use these leaves. I'm gonna have to think about this and experiment with it. And like the purple cabbage was obviously tucked in with cilantro, it looks like, at the store, because there's lots of it in between the leaves. But if I take some of these off, I will have a smaller head of cabbage that I can just put right in the center of my arrangement. Okay. So I'm going to cut that off so it's kind of flat. And it's pretty tough, so I'm not sure if oh yeah, the skewer's going in okay. And I think I'm going to put a couple of skewers in because it's so heavy. And then I'm just going to take my wire cutters and snip off my skewers. I don't need all that length, but I do need this to stay right in the middle of my arrangement. So there we go. Let's get all the things that aren't purple cabbage off of the cabbage. Move those leaves aside for right now. And then I think we'll go with our eggplant. Same thing. I'm going to put a skewer in and then cut that off. I didn't really do that at the angle that I wanted. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, where that is showing, is I'm going to just cut that right off right there. And I'll cover that up with something else, like a Brussels sprout. And then I'm going to put an eggplant down here at the other end. There we go. Whoop. All righty. So I'm going to have to also skewer this guy in, right into the cabbage. There we go. And now I'm going to add my artichokes. These probably would have stayed, but I don't want one of these like falling off in the middle of dinner. So now I'm just going to trim this extra stem off of this artichoke and put a skewer right in there. There we go. I'm going to do the same thing, repeat the same thing right here on this side. And I don't even think I'm going to need this third eggplant. I'll move that aside. And I'm going to start to add my little tufts of purple cauliflower and fill in. Oh, look at that. That is really nice. Basically, all you need to do is go around and fill in all of the spaces. So I'm going to finish with my cauliflower, and then I'm going to go on to tucking the little Brussels sprouts in. And then I'll see if I need some of my red leaf lettuce. If not, I guess I'm going to have salad. Up not using my red leaf lettuce, only using 2 eggplants and 4 artichokes. But I think this turned out beautifully, and wait till I show it to you on the table and the tablecloth that inspired me to make this gorgeous arrangement. This beautiful summer table set in all purples and greens. My inspiration was this April Cornell tablecloth and the napkins. You can see how well and why those were my inspiration for this. So my centerpiece turned out beautifully. I'm really happy with it. For the place settings, I used my crystal that I have treated myself to from replacements. And then what I did was I used a paper cabbage placemat, topped that with a purple Fiesta ware dinner plate, a cabbage salad plate topped with a kind of a pinkish salad plate, and then a pink dessert plate on top of that. And I think it brought all of the colors together so well. So I'm ready to entertain at this lovely table. I hope you liked our beautiful summer table. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, right here around a table.